Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Aries sign Gemini. This is mid-month reading June. So this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your recent past. Okay, so let's see your recent past Gemini. 9 of Pentacles, the Hangman, 8 of Swords. One person in this connection is spiritually awakening, and one person in this connection could be stuck. And one person in this connection feeling very independent. Definitely because there are some disputes, because one person taking action and every time they calls they messaging, but one person feeling stuck. That's why another person feeling like independent, not want anybody. They're happy by being single, but one person in this connection definitely spiritual awakening. There is less communication between both of you and no communication in past. So let's see what is going on in your connection right now. 6 of Swords. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Temperance, or it could be Sagittarius. Lot of cards, but I am not taking. Judgment. Yes, definitely it could be long distance relationship. Patience and balance is needed in this situation right now. Judgment, definitely justice has to be served, and one person in this connection taking the decision regarding this connection. So let's see your person near future actions towards you, Gemini. 6 of Wands. Your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. 7 of Swords. 7 of Wands. Again, definitely your person wants success with you. They don't want to give up on this connection, but there is some sneaky energy in this connection. First it has to be eliminated. Definitely your person wants this connection, but this is sneaky type of connection energy, so be aware of it. It's your decision, it's up to you. So let's pull some cards from universe. Strength, Empress. I think here 2 women are involved in this situation. This could be third party situation also. 9 of Cups. 6 of Pentacles. Yes, your person will approach you again if there is separation. In past there is no equal give and take, but your person now want to offer equal give and take. And 9 of Cups, definitely you are their wish fulfillment. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Empress and the Strength. They're gaining strength to come towards you. The Empress, I think it is you stand by your power, Gemini. So definitely there is some sneaky energy, but it is going to be end. So it's up to you to accept this offer or not, because one person invests on this connection more than the person who invests more on this connection got frustrated, then walked away. I think 9 of Pentacles city here. You love yourself and you behave like independent. So now your person knowing your worth and will come towards you and want to offer equal give and take. And you stand by your power, definitely. I think this could be also you strength, you gaining your strength by stand yourself. And 9 of Cups, I think it is your person wish fulfillment. So this is the reading for you, Gemini. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.